Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Smart English Hacks, where learning English becomes simple, fun, and practical. I'm Elizabeth.
And I'm Henry. Hello, everyone.
Henry, you look worried today. What happened?
Elizabeth, something very embarrassing happened yesterday.
Uh-oh, that sounds serious. Tell us.
Okay, so I was in a coffee shop. I heard two people speaking English. Then suddenly, one of them smiled at me and said, "Hi, how are you?"
That sounds friendly.
Friendly? Elizabeth, I forgot English.
Forgot English?
Everything disappeared. My brain stopped working. I knew the answer in my head, but my mouth refused to speak.
Oh, no.
I wanted to say, "I'm good, thank you." But instead, I just smiled like a confused potato.
A confused potato?
Yes, just smiling, no words.
Henry, so many English learners experience this exact problem.
Really? I thought it was only me.
Not at all. Many people know English in their brain, but when it is time to speak, their mouth suddenly says, "No, thank you."
Exactly. Why does that happen?
Because your brain knows English, but your mouth has not practiced enough.
Wait, my mouth needs practice?
Yes, and today we are going to teach everyone how to train your mouth to speak English naturally and confidently.
My mouth is ready for school.
Perfect. But before we begin,
Yes, if you enjoy this podcast, please like this video, subscribe to Smart English Hacks, and share this with a friend who understands English but suddenly becomes silent while speaking.
we all know someone like that.
Sometimes that someone is me.
All right, let's begin.
Wait, speak before I feel ready?
Yes, most learners think, first I will become perfect, then I will speak.
That sounds like me.
But speaking does not come after confidence. Confidence comes after speaking.
That sounds deep.
Think about learning to swim.
Okay?
Can you learn swimming by only reading books?
No, of course not.
You must enter the water,
Even if I look silly?
especially if you look silly.
Wow.
English speaking works the same way. You improve by speaking, not by waiting.
So even if my English is bad, I should still try?
Absolutely. Mistakes are practice. Silence is not practice.
I think many learners needed to hear that. Okay, what next?
Your mouth learns through repetition.
Repetition means doing something again and again?
Exactly.
Like eating too many biscuits?
Not exactly, Henry.
Okay, continue.
Your mouth is like a muscle. The more you repeat English sounds, the easier speaking becomes.
So my mouth needs exercise.
Yes, start repeating short English sentences every day.
Like what?
Simple sentences. I am ready. How was your day? I need some water. This looks interesting.
Simple but useful.
Very useful. Repeat them many times until speaking feels natural.
Like building strength at the gym?
Exactly. One sentence at a time.
Okay, this one sounds interesting.
This method is called imitation.
Imitation?
Yes, listen to English speakers and copy how they talk.
Copy everything?
Everything. Their pronunciation, rhythm, speed, even emotion.
Like acting?
Exactly like acting.
Okay, give me an example.
I will say a sentence. You repeat after me.
Ready.
Today is going to be a great day.
Good. Again, but more naturally.
Today is going to be a great day.
Better.
This feels strange.
At first, yes. But after practice, your mouth starts copying English naturally.
So instead of only listening to podcasts, I should also repeat?
Exactly. Listening alone is helpful. Speaking while listening is powerful.
That sounds important.
Wait, talk to myself?
Yes.
Elizabeth, people already think I'm strange.
Then do it privately.
Fair enough.
Talking to yourself is one of the best ways to train your mouth.
What do I even say?
Anything. Describe your day. For example, I'm making breakfast. I need to answer emails. I feel tired today. The weather looks nice.
That actually sounds easy.
Because it is easy.
Can I talk to myself while cooking?
Yes,
In the shower?
absolutely.
While cleaning my room?
Perfect practice.
So my house becomes my English classroom.
Exactly.
Free lessons?
Completely free.
Warm up my mouth, like stretching before exercise?
Exactly.
Interesting.
Before speaking English, say 5 easy phrases out loud.
Examples, please?
Sure. Good morning. I can do this. Let's begin. How are you today? I'm learning every day.
These sound simple.
Simple is powerful
Why does this help?
because your mouth wakes up in English.
My mouth needs coffee too?
Something like that.
I like this idea.
After a few weeks, speaking feels more natural because your mouth is already active.
That sounds very useful for shy learners.
Exactly.
Elizabeth, can I ask something?
Of course.
What if someone laughs at my English?
Henry, every fluent speaker was once a beginner.
Really?
Yes, nobody starts perfect.
Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes.
Exactly. The goal is communication, not perfection.
So I should stop waiting to sound perfect?
Yes, speak now, improve later.
I think many people are waiting for the perfect moment.
And that perfect moment never comes.
So the best time to speak English is...
Today. Let's quickly review our 5 tips.
Tip 1. Speak before you feel ready.
Tip 2. Repeat simple English sentences every day.
Tip 3. Copy native speakers and imitate their rhythm.
Tip 4. Talk to yourself in English.
And tip 5. Warm up your mouth with easy phrases every day.
Perfect.
Elizabeth, I actually feel more confident already.
That's what practice does.
Next time someone says, "How are you?" in English,
What will you do?
I will not become a confused potato.
Wonderful improvement. Well, everyone, that is all for today.
Thank you so much for listening to Smart English Hacks.
If this episode helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with another English learner.
And today's question is,
What is one English sentence you will say out loud today?
write your answer in the comments and then actually say it out loud.
Remember, confidence comes from practice.
Train your mouth, open your voice, and start speaking today.
See you next time. Bye, everyone.